What I love about these conferences is the meeting of the people, seeing old faces and talking to new people in the property industry.
We've had some really good conversations, meeting some partners that already work with us. So nice to see them in real life.
People come for a reason. They look to, develop a business and always looking to grow. And having opportunities to speak to people like us really helps them.
There's a lot of stalls here to get around. Some great people. And also meeting with some old contacts I haven't seen for quite some time as well. So yeah, a lot of information.
The Propertymark brand is fantastic. It's a great opportunity for us to meet our customers here today, get some feedback on our product, on the service that we give, and great to put faces to names as well.
With the recent times where we've been doing business on a screen, it's fantastic to actually be talking to clients.
I think most of all, it's just been great speaking to so many people and attending this flagship event today.
There's lots of very interested agents here. That's one of the great things of having these large events, because actually it attracts different people every single year.
We really enjoyed Daisy McAndrew. She was fantastic. In fact, I could have listened to her for another hour.
Really interesting information about AI and how that's going to affect this industry. Certainly coming from a prop tech point of view.
The benefits of being a Propertymark member are really showcased at an event like this. Thank you very much. We've had an amazing turnout, 1,500 plus people, 65 different sponsors here, trade stands, and a very, very jam-packed agenda. Let's roll on for Propertymark One Mark III next year.